This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Creative, go straight to My Island and open Edit mode because you will make the change live. Place a trigger device where players stand. This is the first actionable step that causes the swap. Then add the material device or an effect named Set Material and position it near the trigger. Once done, set the device to affect players, not props, and make sure permissions allow players to activate it so the process can continue immediately. Now you wire the devices. Open the trigger, choose its on-triggered output, and link it to the material device's apply input. This is why the change happens. In the material device, pick target equals player and select the metal material preset. This ensures player visuals switch to metal. Then tweak radius so only intended players are affected, add a small delay for smooth transition, and enable reapply or reset options so the effect persists or can be reverted as you intend. Finish by entering play mode and triggering the device yourself. You must confirm the player model updates to metal. If it doesn't, check the material device target, permissions, and whether the trigger is actually sending events. These are common failure points. Make sure there's no conflicting device overriding materials. If necessary, add a short delay before applying the material and enable a reset trigger so you can revert and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: enable device debug or indicator beams to see signal flow and spot mislinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.